Good morning, student. Today I am going to start chapter number 8, Weather and Climate for class 5th. So, in this chapter, our main topics: what is the climate, what is the weather, difference between both, how many factors that affect the climate of a place, and temperate zone of the world, and the last one, eclipses. So, first I will start with the term weather. What is the weather? We saw that within one day, so many times atmosphere is changed, and the main reason of changes in the atmosphere is the sun, because sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The sun rays that are reflected and received and absorbed by the earth's surface, atmosphere and oceans that determine the weather of a place. So what is the weather? Weather is a day-to-day condition of atmosphere, means within one day how many times atmosphere changed, it is called a weather. It may be a cold, hot, sunny and cloudy. So different factors like atmosphere, earth surface, ocean, seas, these are determine the climate weather of a day. The next one, what is the climate? Climate is the average of weather conditions, means all weather conditions, the average is called a climate. Within 25 years, 30 years, means for a long period of time. So climate is the average weather pattern that is taken over a long period of time, say 30 to 25 years, 25 to 30 years. So what is the difference between both? What is the weather and what is the climate? Weather is a day-to-day condition of atmosphere, but climate is a long weather conditions, average of a weather condition for a longer period of time. Weather changes very often. It changes very often. It does not remain constant or same, but climate doesn't change. It remains constant. It is a permanent. So weather is experienced over a small area of continent, but climate is experienced over a large area of a continent. The next one is a factor that affect the climate of a place. How many factors that affect the climate of place? First one is a distance of a equator. Equator, that is the center part of earth. This is earth, that is equator. So it is the center part of earth and sun. So equator, that is the center part of earth, it receives direct rays of the sun. So places those are located near the equator, there will be hot climate, and those are away from the sun, those are not receiving direct rays of the sun, their climate will be cool, will be cold. The second one is the altitude or height above the sea level. As we know that due to the increase in height, temperature decreases. So as we go on the mountains, there will be cool climate, and in the plain area there will be a hot climate. The next one is the distance from the sun. During the rotation, when earth comes near the sun, then the places those in front of the sun will come in front of sun, there will be a hot climate, and those are away from the sun, there will be a cool climate. The next one is a winds. So if winds are coming from the hot area, then it make the climate hot, and if they are coming from the cold area, then it make the climate cold. The next one is the ocean currents. There are two types of currents. First one is a cold current and second one is a hot current. Warm current. So warm current makes the area warmer, while the cold currents makes the coastal area cold. And the last one factor that affect the climate of a place is the temperature and rainfall. So temperature of a place, amount of water vapors in the air, and amount of rainfall that receives, all determine the climate of a place. So these are 4 to 5 factors that determine the climate of a place. The next one is the temperate zone, temperature zone of the world. There are 3 temperature zone of the world. First one is a torrid zone. It is located near the equator. From 0 degree equator, from 0 degree to 23.5 degree in the southern hemisphere, and from 0 degree equator to the 23.5 degree in the northern hemisphere. So this torrid zone receives direct rays of the sun, so it is also called a tropical zone. So all the places that is situated near the torrid zone or in the torrid zone, it experiences a warm climate, hot climate. The second one is a temperate zone. Temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, between 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere from Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle. So it is also called a mild zone because it receives a slanting rays of the sun. So here climate is neither too hot and nor too cold. The next one is a freezer zone. Freezer zone lies between in the Tropic of Capricorn to the Arctic Circle in the north side, and in the south side from Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle. So sun rays do not reach in the north and south pole, so sometimes it is also called a icy zone. So it is always covered with the snow and ice throughout the year. The next one is eclipses. What is the eclipses? Eclipses means a downfall and abandonment. It occurs when one object in the space blocks an observer from seeing another object in the space from Earth. There are two kinds of eclipses. First one is a solar eclipse and second one is a lunar eclipse. Firstly, I will explain solar eclipse. This is the sun. And moon and Earth. Solar eclipse occur when moon passes through in front of the sun and it falls its shadow on the certain portion of the Earth. Solar eclipse occur when moon passes in front of the sun and fall its shadow on the certain portion of the Earth, and at that time sun appears gone dark. So it appears like a sun has gone dark. That is called a solar eclipse. The second one is a lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occur when moon passes through the shadow of the Earth, and that time moon reflects a reddish brown color. So these are two types of eclipses. First one is a solar eclipse and second one is a lunar eclipse. So in this chapter we have discussed about what is the weather, climate, difference between both, how many factors that affect the climate of place, different temperate zone of the world, then eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. The next one is a homework. So chapter number is a 8. Chapter name is the weather and climate. The homework. See on page number 61. Fill in blanks. Fill in blanks, that is the first point, and second point is a matching. First one is a fill-in blanks and second one is a matching. So you have to find out the fill-in blanks, matching after the thorough reading of a chapter. So thanks and have a nice day.